to my channel. So you guys, in this video I'm going to be making a large family meal for 2 weeks thereabout. I'm going to be bulk cooking. If you haven't seen my other video where I did a grocery haul on all the things that I got in the market, please go and watch that video. Okay, so today these are the things we are going to be cooking. So if you enjoy this type of videos, then keep on watching. We're going to be cooking vegetable soup, we're going to be cooking sweet potato porridge, we're going to be cooking beans porridge, groundnut soup, water leaf soup, and stew. So I'm going to be batch creating these things and storing in the freezer because no one has the time to be cooking every day, especially not me. Okay, so yeah, if you are new here, my name is Temitope Banks and I'm a Abuja, Nigerian based YouTuber. Okay, I create content about motherhood, lifestyle, and all the good stuff. All right, yeah. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button. Let's get prepping, cooking, meal prepping, cooking, and all the orishi that you people like to watch. So this is our bulk cooking. The only thing we have done so far is to cook meat and chicken. For the rest things, this place is a jungle right now. Let me show you what we've done. We blended the okra and tomatoes. Osas is still slicing the leaves. We've not even sliced. Let me show you guys. Slice the sweet potatoes. Look at what this place is looking like. It's looking like a jungle right now. Look at the waste. This is over here, and this is over here. So I don't even know which one I should start with. I'm gonna try with my tomatoes. Yeah. So let me rinse the vegetables, and I think I'll just cook the vegetable soup and okra. I have some beans that I hope it's clear what I'm doing. I have some beans that cooked earlier, but I haven't mixed, so we'll just pack that. I don't think we're going to do that. We'll just pack it and put it in the freezer. Anytime we want to like cook, we'll just mix the sauce and we're good to go. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. I'm talking about, so we have 2 containers of vegetable, tomato and pepper, tomato sauce, okra. This one I'm going to use it for the okra. You guys, how do you make your okra? I like to blend with the blender as well as grate it. So you have underneath, this is the grated one, then you have that one. So that's the update out. You guys will see what I'm doing anyway. So let's finish prepping this. This pepper, I love it. so I'm just going to wash them now and work has started. Like the okra is very straightforward, you guys. Can you see how it is? Vegetable soup and the okra. So I'm just going to
I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else, tell me what to do. That's why.
So you guys, I'm so tired. So we have here our sweet potatoes, everything that we bought. So we're just going to be cleaning it up and putting away. I'm not going to cook everything as porridge. I'm going to dice some and put them in the freezer for fries. Then the other ones we will use them for sweet potato porridge. Okay, so guys, this is our sweet potato. I'm just going to pack that up. You guys, we are finally done. So you guys, this is what we've been up to. So we have our vegetable soup, we have beans, we have sweet potato. This is also sweet potato. This is okra stew, water leaf soup. So you guys, what is tell me in the comment section if you grew up with this pent rubber inside the freezer. What is a Nigerian kitchen if you don't see pent rubber and ice cream kitchen? Is that even a Nigerian kitchen? Anyway, thank you so much guys for meal prepping with me. I hope you enjoyed and it has been good. Okay, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.